Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SwitchBot Hub 3, it is the newest model with smarter connections, infinite control, works with Alexa, Google, Siri, IFTTT, SmartThings, support Matter certified, smart scene customization, infrared remote control up to 100,000 devices, multiple streaming device command, environmental data display, lock Siri status and management, works as part of SwitchBot ecosystem. SwitchBot has so many devices, you can check online. With voice command you can control all your smart devices. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the unboxing. It's a universal remote control hub with Matter support, designed to seamlessly integrate with Matter compatible devices, IR controlled appliances and the entire SwitchBot ecosystem. They have a huge ecosystem. Check online switchbot.com. Together with all the videos down below the description, playlist SwitchBot and the device on a black color. I like it. Now let's find out one by one what we have in the box. Make it simple, scan the QR code, 3M tape, limited warranty, another 3M tape, template sticker for drilling, manuals in different languages. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The power adapter with an output 5V 2A 10 watts power consumption. The cable length, it is 2 meters with a built-in thermo-hydro sensor in the cable, motion sensor and light sensor. It gives users an intuitive way to manage their smart home with the ability to create DIY automation scenes. I will show you how it works definitely. Type A to Type C. 3M tape at the back. Let's remove and the protective film. At the device we have the infrared emitter, infrared receiver, light sensor, indicator light. Here it is the speaker, the LCD screen of course, 4 customized shortcuts, the home button, back button, on-off button, the kata button, the knob direction button, with another button at the middle. And at the back we have the input for the temperature and output. So here you can connect the Type C and another Type C for output. The wall mounting bracket. If you want to mount the device directly at the wall, you need to use this template. After removing this screw and remove the back plate, use the template, make the screw holes and install it at the wall. We have and the screws. Otherwise, if you want to use this beautiful stand, silicone pad here, I like it. It looks nice. You need to lock it at the back. But first, install the cable here at the base and then connect at the input and lock it. Nice, beautiful. I like it. So let's plug in the device and start the setup. I like the display with the backlight at the buttons. We need the SwitchBot app. I have some other devices from SwitchBot. I have made so many videos, you can check down below the description, playlist SwitchBot. Add device, Hub 3, next, press and hold for 2 seconds the on-off button, connect device, supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, enter the password, next, You can rename the device, pick a room, start using. That was all so easy. Now let's go at devices and scenes, manage devices, import existing appliances or third-party control. Import left curtain, add again, right curtain. So I need to add all these devices. That's how you can skip the setup process. And done. Manage scenes, same in here. You can add, save. And now from the display, automatically it turns on the light when it sends movement. I can control my TV, on, off.
State and local tax deductions in, for example, Democrat state.
Or off. With the wheel same and the AC unit. Back, smart box, basement bulb, bedroom curtain, all my devices, even unlock the main door. Or lock. Robot vacuum on.
Initiating cleaning.
Or off.
I'm going back to charge now.
Air purifier. All the devices from SwitchBot. Roller shutter. And I can adjust. Nice. Right curtain, left curtain, same in here, you can adjust or turn on. Off. Control your entire home from this hub. Close curtain, even the scenes. Display info. You can enable the weather data or disable. Select a device you want to quickly access when you hit the right button on your Hub 3S. Choose a device, let's say my TV. There it is. On. And off. For the left button, choose a device. My Robo Vacuum again. And I can access the Robo Vacuum. Environmental data source from the Hub or Meter Pro. We can see the icon for the CO2. Bedroom. Front balcony. You can do so many adjustments. Lock status. For the lock, there's the icon. Customize its shortcuts. A. Select device or scene. Right curtain, left curtain, the vacuum, light, and because this area it is a touch screen, these 4 dots, light, cool white, warm white, color, and you can choose with the wheel. Back. Same and for the robot. You can turn it on, turn it off. You have 4 shortcuts and you can control with the touch. Curtain, 50%. %. Nice. Fully close it. And the other curtain. The same and for the other devices. 50%. 10. Nice. So easy to control everything from this hub. And at the main screen we can see the temperature, the room humidity, room light, add remote control, choose one of these appliances, more than 100,000 codes. Duplicate from another hub.
I found air conditioner's copy from the SwitchBot Smart Skill, and you can control it by saying, set air conditioner's copy to 21 degrees.
Thank you, Alexa. And you can control your AC unit. You can do all the adjustments without the physical remote control. Same and for my TV, smart box, and so many other appliances. Settings. You can change the name, home and room. Device settings. You can choose other language. 24 hours time, disable, enable. Auto brightness. You can adjust the screen brightness. The button brightness. Auto brightness. Button and knob sound, disable, enable. Detection sensitivity from low, medium to high. Approach to wake, disable, enable. Wake up. Standby screen, disable, enable. 30, 60 or 120 seconds. Appearance, home or clock. After the backlight will switch off, then we can see and the clock. There it is. Movement detected. Goes to the humidity and temperature, and you can access all the settings. Home, alert conditions, alarm sound, disable, enable, alarm volume, low, medium or high, lock status voice alert, enable or disable, temperature alert, reverse, humidity alert, you can adjust, absolute humidity alert, dew point alert, VPD alert. Let's adjust the temperature. Reverse, disable and save. There it is. And off the sound. Alert condition, disable. Calibration for the temperature and the humidity. Doorbell feature, I don't have a doorbell right now. Alarm settings, add, you can adjust, 34, only once, repeat, choose the days of the week, alarm, the label, sound, volume, low, medium and high, and save. Perfect. And you have alarm to wake you up. Do not disturb, disable, enable, adjust the start and end time, logs, Wi-Fi settings, third-party services, Amazon Alexa, for Google, SmartThings, Homey, IFTTT and Matter, NFC, remote control. Please add the remote control first, okay? You can add an NFC tag. Matter setup, next, connect device, next, copy the code, next, setup, devices, add, Matter enabled device, setup without QR code, enter the code, agree, I'm ready. And done. Living room. Perfect. And there's the device. Going back, installation guide. Perfect. Help and feedback, firmware version. I have already made the update. Device information. So, we've explored the ins and outs of the SwitchBot Hub 3, from its core functionalities to its integration with Matter and its useful environmental sensors. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of what this hub can bring to your smart home SwitchBot ecosystem. Honestly, this device is a game changer for anyone looking to truly automate their home. If you are looking to unify your smart home devices and add some extra convenience, this hub is definitely worth considering. It's a solid upgrade of any SwitchBot user and a great entry point into Matter. If you are considering adding smart home capabilities or upgrading your existing setup, the Hub 3 offers a compelling solution. I'm genuinely impressed with what SwitchBot has delivered here. It simplifies so much, and the potential of new automations is just exciting. I love to hear your thoughts on the Hub 3 in the comments below. Have you picked one up? What is your favorite features? If you are interested in purchasing the Hub 3 or other SwitchBot products, I've included a link in the description below. And don't forget to watch my other videos on the SwitchBot playlist. I'm sure you like them and they'll help you to transform your home into a smart home. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.